Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is electric flux. Carl Friedrich introduced the electric flux. Flux is a Latin word meaning flow. Flux is a Latin word meaning flow. Electric introduce electricity. We know that the flow of electrons introduce electricity, and the rest of charge introduce field. But what is electric flux? Flux mean flow. And what is electric flux? The number of field lines passing through a certain area element is called electric flux through that area. Means this is a area and this is electric field lines. The number of field lines passing through certain area element is called electric flux. Means the electric flux is a measure of electric field through a given surface. Through a given surface. Means electric flux measure electric field. Measure electric field. Electric field. The number of field lines per unit area is called electric field. Is called electric field. Mathematically, electric flux. Phi mean flux, E mean electric. Electric flux. Electric flux is a dot product of electric intensity and vector area. Vector area denoted by A. And we know that the magnitude of dot product EA cos theta. EA cos theta. Why we use dot product for electric flux? Why we not use cross product? Means we know that the electric flux is maximums if the angle between them is a zero. Angle between them is zero. Means the area and electric intensity in a same planes. Then electric flux is a maximums. And for cross product, the area and electric intensity are perpendicular to each other. Mean if the angle means only electric flux introduced when they parallel, but we use cross product, then angle between them is 90. We know that cos 90 is 0. That is the reason we use dot product. We know that the dot product of two vector is a scalar. Electric intensity is a vector, area is a vectors, and we know that the dot product of vector is a scalar, and that is the reason electric flux is a scalar. Electric flux is a scalar. And what is the unit of electric flux? Unit of electric flux. We know that E is equal to F over Q, and what is the unit of F is Newton and Q is -1, and unit of area is meter square. Newton per coulomb meter square is a unit of electric flux. Is a unit of electric flux. Dependence of electric flux means which particles on electric flux depend, or which mediums on electric flux depend. Mean electric flux depend number of electric lines of force per unit area. Per unit area means electric flux number of lines divided by area means area is fixed, and then we flow, and then we pass, mean if we pass 5 lines from area, and after sometimes we pass 10 lines pass from area, then we know that the 10 by area is greater than 5 by area. Means if we pass more line from area, then electric flux is more, and if we pass less line, then electric flux is a less. And also electric flux depend on area of surface, mean if the electric line fix, and if area is increases, then electric flux decreases. Mean electric flux depend on number of electric lines of force per unit area, and also depend on area of surface, okay, understand? Area of surface and number of electric force of per unit area. Special case number 1, when area is held perpendicular to the electric intensity, then electric flux will be maximum. In how electric flux maximum? Then this is area perpendicular to the electric lines. This is area, and area is also this. Means understand from this. Means this is area perpendicular to the line. Means this is line pass from area, and area is also perpendicular. Area is held perpendicular to electric intensity. Means area is perpendicular, but the vectors area means unit direction is along the direction of outward. Means the direction of area is also along electric intensity. That is the reason the angle of vector area and electric lines is equal to 0, and we know that what is flux is equal to Ea cos theta, and Ea cos 0, we know that cos 0 equal to 1, and electric flux Ea. Okay, mean area is perpendicular to electric intensity. Mean this is area and electric intensity pass, but the vector area, the direction of vector area is along the direction of outward. Means also direction of area is this, along the direction of electric intensity. The angle between them is 0. Okay, when area is held parallel to electric intensity, then electric flux is minimums. Means this is area is parallel to the electric intensity. Means this is area parallel, and this is electric intensity. Both are parallel to each others, but the vectors area is along the direction of normal, this is a direction of vector area normals, and electric lines passes parallel to area. The angle between lines and normals is 90. We know that what is electric flux is equal to EA cos theta, and angle we know that cos 90, cos 90 is 0 and electric flux 0. Okay, understand? Any confusion?